How to fix Gcache. This feature does not support Android 4.4. Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more app fix tutorials. If Gcache shows this feature does not support Android 4.4, here's the clear and safe explanation. First, understand the reason. Android 4.4, KitKat, is no longer supported by Gcache. New security features require a newer Android version, so this is not a bug. Now, the real solutions. First, check for a system update. Go to Phone Settings, About Phone, Software Update. If an update is available, install it and try Gcache again. Second, if no update is available, use a newer Android device. Gcache requires a higher Android version to work properly. Third, you can temporarily access Gcache via its official web version, if available, for basic features. Pro tip: avoid modified apps or APKs claiming to fix this issue. They are unsafe and can lead to account bans or data theft. That's it. Now you know why the Gcache Android 4.4 not supported error appears and how to fix it safely. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment understood below.